You can get a script from anybody, but you cannot be the one directing or training the students for that particular play. So that is the disconnect. The disconnect was not that Malala had done it. It is that he wanted to be the one directing, which is against the regulations. Number two, I gave a brief background on how that matter reached that level, including the process of court, where the court order was clear that the students were supposed to go back to the original play, not the one that had been altered along the way. So that is the one that they were ready to present yesterday, but then they were not able to present out of their own conclusion. And so there is nothing the government could have done at that point because they made that decision. So the government was not involved in any way in stopping the students from participating. I understand that there was some sort of fracas where I'm not sure because I'm from Mombasa, so I can't tell you for sure that I understand exactly what happened during the police intervention. But if tear gas was done, that's an unfortunate event because the students were in the home.